Hello, this is Valerie, and tonight we're going to put together the new Gingerbread and Cookies Slimline card. And I have all the pieces cut and laid out here. And so I think what I'm going to do first is put the parts and pieces together for the very front. And there's two cookies, a little gingerbread face, and a candy cane across the bottom. And so I'm going to start by attaching the frosting to the sugar cookies. Like I said, there's two cookies, and I used a glitter cardstock to make it look all shiny for the frosting. And then on the candy cane, we have 4 stripes that we're going to add across. Once we get all these pieces together, you can sort of play around with this design. It's not set in stone. You could use one cookie, or you can use both. You could use just the gingerbread. It's going to really leave you open to do what you want to do. And you could also add 2 gingerbread. And there's a black backing for the back of the face, so that when you put the front on, it automatically puts in the eyes and the mouth. And I did do a little bit of shading and added a little touch of pink to his cheeks. And I'm also going to use a gel marker and add 2 little dots to his eyes. And I think I might add a little dot to each cheek. And then we just put the frosting across the top. And then with his little hands, each of those is going to have a little bit of frosting. And like I said, this is a pretty quick and easy card, but a very fun one. Okay, so we have those parts all ready to go. And now I'll put the card layers. Comes with the card itself, folded in half, and I did ink around the edges on this a little bit. And there's 2 layers. This is where you can add little bits of color. And it'll have an equal border all the way around. Got that layer, and then the top layer. And again, it has a margin, equal margin all the way. Okay, so the first thing I want to put on is going to be the candy cane. And I'm going to put that on the back. And while that glue is still wet, I'm going to tuck in the little gingerbread face, because it's going to slip behind the candy cane, and I want to do that while the glue is still wet. And I think I'll put him right about there. And I'm going to put one of the stars behind there too. Guess I should work faster, huh? And like I said, this is something you could play around with. Like if you wanted to just add one star, you could probably put a little something there or a greeting somewhere. You could scoot this over and put a greeting on this side or put another cookie there. But I'm going to put both cookies on this side and then his little hands like that. But you can do it any way you like. Actually, I'm going to put his paws, I guess his hands, the gingerbread hands, I'm going to put those on first. Those are going to go in front, like he's got his hands over the candy cane. And then I think I'll use a pop dot on the second cookie. Take these off. There's always one that gives you trouble. Okay. And then I'll just kind of place it however looks good. That looks good. Okay. And there it is. And the little card, it will slip into an envelope, and there is an envelope included with this file. So there you go. Hope you enjoy.